I would like to welcome you to the first ever Freshman Career Pathway Selection Assembly.
We are at Seneca High School today, where we just had our first ever Freshman Academy Career Selection Assembly.
You are going to be different than all of the classes that came before you. You are going to have opportunities to earn college credits, to work in places that are interesting to you.
I am in IT and law, and I love it because it gets me prepared for the real world and what I really want to do. I am currently in teaching and learning pathway, which is the basics of learning, and I am the early childhood pathway, which is special education, what is actually what I want to major in.
Turn around and remove the envelope from the back of your chair, but do not open it. Do not open it. On the count of 3, you will all open your envelopes at once. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Caleb Ritchie. You have been selected for the Cyber Engineering Pathway and Law and IT Academy.
I always wanted to be a singer, but my next pathway is to be a lawyer.
What we are hoping is that the academy structure builds a network of support around each scholar. So not only do they have a team of teachers who are working to build on their interest and to ignite passion and get them excited about school, but also to involve our community members and involve our scholars in the community.
Does anybody have any questions in terms of mock trial team tryouts for next year?
We're totally engaged with Seneca. All of our employees, all 700 of us, have bought into this school. And with tremendous leaders, great scholars, we know that everyone shares our passion, so we have that link in common, and we know we can make a difference. We can find healthcare workers. More importantly, though, we can work together to figure out how we can better serve the community.
Most people, they go to school whenever, they don't get that extra step. I feel like here being at Seneca, I get that extra step. So before I even have to go to college and try to figure out what I want to do in life, spend tons of money, I get that hands-on education here right now, so I can decide what I want to be in life.